holoride. It's VR for the car. I have so many questions. How's it work? Who's this for? Will I get motion sick? Is it for games, for productivity, or something else? And the list goes on and on. So when holoride reached out asking if I'd like to try it for myself, I thought, yes. And also, what a fun video this would make. So thank you, holoride, for reaching out and for teaming up with me to make this video for my channel. So what is holoride? It's a real-world, motion-synced, full-screen virtual experience for moving vehicle passengers. That probably didn't make much sense, but stick with me on this one. Because your virtual in-headset experience is synchronized with the motion of the vehicle in real time, you can play games, watch movies, read books, get work done, etc., in an immersive way that isn't anywhere near as likely to induce motion sickness or nausea. Now, before I tried this, that was one of my main concerns. Will it be nausea-inducing? I don't typically experience motion sickness when in VR, but I have in the past on rare occasion, and I do typically get a headache when reading in the car regularly, even if I'm just looking at my phone for a few seconds. I can't speak for everyone because there's a variety of factors that go into what can give someone the feeling of motion sickness, but I was happy to report that I felt totally fine using holoride for a variety of different experiences in a moving car for about an hour-long demo, and I could have kept going. So let's go ahead and look at the hardware for a moment. The demo I experienced used a holoride retrofit motion streaming device, an HTC Vive Flow, and an 8-bit Do Pro 2 controller, although I'm told that any holoride compatible VR headset and controller will work. The nice thing about the demo configuration I tried is that the Vive Flow is super lightweight and has more of a sunglasses form factor, so I imagine it'd be a bit more comfortable to wear in the backseat of the car. But the real tech innovation that makes this experience work is in the retrofit device itself, more so than the VR headset. The holoride retrofit device is tiny. It looks like a hockey puck and attaches to your interior car windshield via a suction mount. When turned on, the holoride retrofit will sense the car's motion and position and transmit it to your VR headset in real time, enabling your real-world surroundings and position to be a part of the experience. So in games, this might look like the background of the level. In books and other streaming media, this can look like a moving world behind your chosen content. Now, I tried a few different experiences in my demo, and by far, the coolest one was a game called Cloud Breakers, where you're a mech flying through the air, defeating enemies and collecting power-ups. And the game would be fine standalone, but paired with the wind blowing in my face and natural body momentum from being in a moving car, it almost felt like a theme park ride a la Star Tours for my Disney fans out there, where your seat moves your body while there's wind blowing at you, all to match the virtual experience that you're seeing. That was pretty rad and not something I expected to get out of an in-car demo, if that makes sense. On the software side, there are special holoride designed experiences from games to books to a compatible browser app which can access things like Netflix, YouTube, Twitch, and more. So basically, things you would normally access via a browser. All of these experiences are available for a 3-month free trial with $12.99 monthly or roughly $120 annual subscription thereafter. Now, if you're an Android user, another option open to you is phone screen mirroring, and this opens up a world of possibilities from taking work meetings, playing your favorite mobile games, etc., all through the headset via your phone. I now hearken back to me saying that I get car sick sometimes reading things on my phone while in the car. This type of technology could be a way for me to actually be productive in the car on my phone without feeling ill, and that's cool. So if you're thinking, I like VR, I gotta try this for myself, there's a few ways to get in on the action. Some Audi vehicles are already holoride ready, and you'd only need to get a compatible headset and controller. With the new retrofit device, just launched in the US and Germany, I believe, almost any car can become holoride ready by simply mounting it on your car vehicle dash on the inside. The retrofit device sells for $199 with the headset and controller sold separately. Now, the best bang for your buck, if you have none of these things already, is the holoride retrofit pack, which includes the exact setup that I demoed. That's an HTC Vive Flow, an 8-bit Do Pro 2 Bluetooth controller, a 3-month holoride subscription, and a safety strap to make sure your headset isn't going anywhere if you get too excited. Now, buying all these things separately would be about $100 more expensive than the bundle pricing, so it's a good deal. What's an even better deal though? Holoride said, for anyone in this community, if you use this code, you'll get $50 off. Yay! I'm trying to think, what else can I tell you about this device? Both the retrofit and the VR headset will need power, so you can either plug in via USB-C cable directly to your car or a portable battery pack, although I'm told the retrofit device has about a 14-hour battery life if you want to go cordless. VR headsets in general are recommended for ages 13 and up, so I wouldn't get this for your kids to watch Bluey on. All the current games are single player at the moment, however, multiplayer is in the works, and the retrofit device can support up to 2 headsets at this time. Again, that's all for now. These things might change in the future. I mean, all in all, this tech is still super new and developing. This is the kind of stuff I get really excited to see at CES, but figure it probably won't be available to purchase for a few years, except this one is actually here and available now, which is pretty cool. So thank you so much to holoride for the invite to test out this super new tech and for partnering with me to create this video. And to everyone watching, as a fun thought experiment, where would you like to see VR go next? Or what activities can you see yourself most enjoying using this type of tech? Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time.